Tatanungin ko lang muna si Club Chairman bago kita kung paano nila nire-recommend yung mga duffers, yung mga hunters. Alam ko, marami ko ng duff, pero elected na sa chairman, Club Chairman na marami ko sir.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman, for the members of the and also first good afternoon. Your Honors, the game fund commission used to handle everything about fighting in the past. And since 1992, it has been devoted to the level of but this is one of the second series of so I would like this is a national so I just found out that people just walk in and get their licenses. This is an honorable profession of course sport and yeah, talagang ma-train sila certified na sila ay ano na rin, yung isang medication or isang trainer. Meron po tayo mga trainer sa lab. Meron na isang kailangan meron sa certified na yung mga review and the training certification will be issued to you. And because of that, sa tapat ko, including mga licenses niya na wala pong valid yung pare. Kaya sila gusto ang tumawag sa amin. Hindi ko yung lisensya. And hindi lang po yung mga doctors lisensya, hindi mga doctors ay meron ng lisensya. Pati rin po yung mga simple sa work. Sila po yung mga referee. So, para sa amin po, para may yata nagkaroon ng licenses yung ganyan and very strict po yan pagka may reklamo na binayaran at hindi ka makakagyan
Nawawala ko tayo, Mr. Chairman.
sorry.
Sinisira yung banner, oh. Umuulan pa. Binabomba naman ng bumbero. Binubomba ng bumbero pala. Lubid, oh. Ganda ng lubid, ah.
Suspension of e-sabot revision agriculture or
Naghahanap talaga ako ng asawa. Kasi 5 years na akong sa abroad eh. Naghahanap talaga ako ng asawa. Kasi 5 years na akong sa abroad eh. At 5 years na rin akong single. At may isang anak. Baka ikaw pwede ka. Tawagan mo lang ako dito. Ito yung talaga ako ng asawa. Kasi 5 years na akong sa abroad eh. At 5 years na rin akong single. At may isang anak. Baka ikaw pwede ka. Tawagan mo lang ako dito. Ito po yung number ko. Nanghahanap.
Yes, Mr. Chair, as manifested Orlando, we are only going to suspending visa. And we will secure approval of
Hindi naman siguro ito, kailangan ko gawin sa kasama ulo, no? Yung power to suspend, yung kailangan to suspend, using the resolution power to suspend, or you still have to go consult the city.
we will still have to consult Mr. Leslie and action.
Thank you. So from here, we proceed to case number 3. James Papanet, James Group. So ako nag-James na ako dito. Start na natin case number 3. JBB. Update dito, update.
all members of this group of and women of different unfortunate person is my outside for case number 8,
So please introduce yourself before you make this video.
I think was Internet and so I have to provision chief of J. Sir, let me review the history of how we started the investigation. First, our national partners group check director issued a memo for us to conduct our investigation regarding and likewise we have an instruction back from the regional chief Sir Delmas. I asked the provincial chief of the Nagas upon hearing that there was a recorded there was a reported case na nasasabihan ng police station sa ginawa ng Lima asking Lima police station kung meron silang arrested na 6 na tao sir allegedly for sa tukatan o illegal na fighting. Ang mga tao ito sir ay sila Sakiano, Esther Manaka, Pegasus Dana, Jeffrey Mano, and brother Robert Pato, and the girlfriend of Robert Pato, si Rosalie Darwin. So, together of course, the not of the SPO Provincial Police Office, we conducted our separate investigation. And in the course of our investigation, we were able to collect different statements from witnesses, also with the help of the COPO of Hagonoy Police Station and Kalumpit Police Station, who first provided us these sort of statements. And when we were digging on the investigation to know if this is a case of fixing, luckily sir, medyo nagkaroon tayo sir ng konting connect to connect all the lines, dotted lines na hindi pa namin nalalaman kung muna. During our investigation sir, according to the first statement issued by actually it is not a short statement. If Shane Divano Mali was here, wala ko siya. Si Shane Divano. Okay. But for the information of everybody, Shane Umali Divano is the legal wife of the missing Congress Divano. Siya po yung legal wife. Nagkaliwalay na po sila. Kasi naging girlfriend na po ngayon ni Congress Divano yung nawawala ng buhay sa Cavite, Laguna. Si Ma'am Jolie Lapid. Kumbaga, hiwalay na po sila sir kung legal wife ka. When my
Sheikh Malik, from Sheikh Malik. He forwarded us on her FB account, sent through messenger yung matira matibay dun sa DNP. And in that certain entry, grupo namin nakita, sir, na ang ginamit po ng grupo na ito na entry ay yung Firma Extreme, which is being financed and owned by a certain Kevin Mayoga. This Kevin is directed from the Subac, Batangas. So, may malapit lang po sa amin. Wala po tayo ng pagpipigil natin. Unfortunately, during the visit, Kevin Mayoga is no longer there today. Hindi na po siya natatakbuhan. And upon communication with the handler, yung part po nila is Indaper, Big Farm, which is owned by Prosimito Di Mayuga, the father, and now with Kevin Di Mayuga. Ang sabi po ng handler doon is, matagal na po namin pinakikita si Kevin Di Mayuga. Okay. After, sir, nalaman din po namin na meron pang ibang tao pala na nagturo doon sa grupo. Nagturo doon sa grupo from Magonoy and Kalupi. Kasi sir, kung hindi na po ninyo, doon sa script po sa atin, si Alexander Diablo, sir, and is Barangay Kagawa, Edgar Malaka, and Marvin Villanueva are all from
Hello
Magonoy.
guys.
With regard to Sakdalan, and this Ricardo Sakdalan is who is not from Quezon, according to that of the Sakshi. Kung mapapansin po dito, according to kung nandito lang po sana si Ma'am Malaka, the sister of Sir Edgar Malaka, on his short statement, kung nandito lang, kayo po si Ma'am Edelin, according to the statement of Ma'am Edelin Sir Malaka, it was Marvin Villanueva de la Cruz, alias Pat, who called Marvin Gawan Edgar Amano Malaka at si Gagger Enos Malaka. Tinawagan po ni Barangay Gawan Pat, alias Pat, si Edgar Malaka na kaibigan po niya, i-ready na lahat ng mga gamit. Ibig sabihin siya, i-ready po lahat ng mga gamit kasi meron po silang lahat. So with that short statement, sir, niready sir ni Sir Edgar Malaka po yung mga gamit. And at the same time, sir, nandun sa David na 2 months pa lang po silang magkasama, pero sa 2 months na magkasama na sila, sir, parang may panalo na laro yung si Sir Edgar Malaka. Kaya nandun yung trust ni Marvin Villanueva sa kanya, alias Pat. Ricardo Sakdalan, sir, is also the kumpare of Marvin Villanueva according to the affidavit of Gerald Sakdalan na anak ko ni Ricardo Sakdalan. And this Gerald Sakdalan, sir, yung explain na affidavit is the anak of Marvin Villanueva Sakdalan alias Pat. Nasa affidavit po ng anak nila ng Gerald Sakdalan, anak po ni Ricardo Sakdalan, at it was Gerald together with his sister ay ang nag-lugit mismo sa tatay nila sa bahay ni Marvin Villanueva de la Cruz on January 6 and exactly 9 p.m. if I'm not mistaken, 9 p.m. or gabi. After a simple conversation, nagpaalam ako ng mga anak at nauwi po sila. Ngayon, sir, drawing naman po dun sa pinapin po ni Ma'am Pilman. Pagkapat naman po ni Robert Ipano at ni Bentley Ipano. January tayo po sila. Iwan tayo po sila ulit na 5:30 na afternoon. Malis po sila ng Boracay. Mr. Thomas Di Pato credited the white man with doing an activity what we did. What we did. So it's very At first, we were able to talk with Ma'am Melanie Santo Domingo and he appeared, but then the other conversation po, hindi na po siya pagdating. Interesante ito po sa akin. So, medyo po po na yung conversation, hindi na po siya sumasagot ng kasi we all know the feelings ko sa kasakutan din talaga siya. One of our persons of interest sir, is this person sir, Marvin Villanueva de la Cruz Anespa, o si Barangay Kagawad Pa, o Barangay Sebastian Hagunoy Bulacan. According dito sa dami na po ni Ma'am Chaka, he will organize the group kapag kailangan. Siya po yung magtatawag ng mga tao niya, sikapan niya, yung gamit, and even provided financial and statistical, logistical support sa mga tao niya. Nasaan na ito siya sir? Unfortunately sir, immediately after sir, kung nawala po yung mga sir, ito po si Barangay Kagawad Pa, ay hindi na rin pumatagpuan sa tanggal po sir. Ako, yes sir. Paano ba po sir? I believe sir, the police na po Sa grupo ni Marvin Villanueva. Pero sir, yes, receives instruction there, so unless he magic dito, no ginagawa de la Cruz, kasi opens his door here, wala ko sa wala ko as to his door. But we were so sure that maybe the way God is no longer something part of us that they have only wala ka. So therefore, so we start talking that we will try to visit personally, separately, kung family, separately, partly, yun. So that would be for the updates of the visit. Now, Jeff, we also extended some effort to proceed to Kakintilan to submit this one statement of
Alam mo ba na hindi mo na kailangan gumamit ng cat opener para magbuksan ng Pringles? Baliktarin mo ito at kapag nakita mo yung transparent na lid sa taas, buksan mo lang ito, tanggalin yung plastic, at ayun, pwede ka nang kumain ng Pringles. Ay, kaso nga akin wala lang naman. Kaya tayo sa akin effort ko. Alam mo ba na hindi mo na kailangan gumamit ng cat opener para magbuksan ng Pringles? Baliktarin mo ito at kapag nakita mo yung transparent na lid sa taas, buksan mo lang ito, tanggalin yung plastic, at ayun, pwede ka nang kumain ng Pringles. Ay, kaso nga akin wala lang naman. Kaya tayo sa akin. Pero, pangkain niyo.
Want help growing your YouTube channel fast?
Evidences,
Anong suot mo? Ano yan? Hindi yan. Talagang kayo. Papatantan. Siya, no? Alam mo ba yung papatantan kung ano yan?
Papatantan is Annabelle.
Papateres.
Yeah. Meron na ba dito sa Maynila? 3 hours na lang. 3 hours na lang. Baby, video ka. Okay.